Napoleon won most of his battles fighting with Sixth Coalition, but lost the war. Even when the Allies took Paris, he hoped for reinforcements to drive the enemy out of the capital. But France was tired of war. Napoleon was persuaded by the marshals to sign an abdication. He got the island of Elba and a few battalions of soldiers at his disposal. But not everyone in France was happy with the Bourbon restoration. Having learned about the conflict in the coalition that had divided Europe at the Congress of Vienna, Napoleon fled Elba. French troops moved en masse to the side of the emperor. Triumphantly, without firing a single shot, he returned to Paris. But defeated at Waterloo, Napoleon again abdicated and set sail for the coast, hoping to sail to America. But he surrendered to the British, who surrounded the harbor. The former emperor's final place of exile was the island of Helena, lost somewhere in the Atlantic.